Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share documents in Zoho WorkDrive. Zoho WorkDrive is a cloud storage and collaboration platform developed by Zoho. It allows teams to store files, organize documents and collaborate online. One of its most useful features is the ability to share documents securely with team members or the external users. Sharing documents in Zoho WorkDrive makes it easy for the teams to work together, review files and manage access permission. So first open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down zoho.com and enter it. And once you reach into this interface, on the right hand side we can find all of these featured apps. Scroll a bit down and go to this explore all product. Over here you can find to this work drive, select to this access here. Over here we can find to this folders documents. Once you go to this folder documents, find to this three dot icon and select to this share over here. Over here you can also access to this share any of the people or members in your team by selecting to this access level here. And you can go to your organize, edit, view and comment. Then you can also make it a new external share link over here, and you can also change the visibility over here. You can select to this collaborators, and you can select if you want anybody in your team access to your document or anyone on the internet as well. And this is it. This is how I can share documents in Zoho WorkDrive. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.